welcome back to our channel. Today we came back with another unboxing and review video. This is a continuation of our parenting vlogs. So this video is for wipes for babies. So if you see here, I have got it from Flipkart, right? Little soft cleansing baby wipes. So this little soft cleansing baby wipes is the most price effective one, most value of money. Okay, so we have got a pack of 480 wipes which comes in 6 different packs. So here it is, quite heavy, right? And you can get in other variants also. Guys, this little soft cleansing baby wipes you can get from a pack of 80 till 800. So we got a 480 pack because we feel this much is sufficient for a year at least, right? So also it is only below 450 rupees, so you can see it is very cheap. Below 450 rupees you will get 480 wipes, so you can see it is very cheap, and even per day you are using one wipes, it will go more than a year. So it has a validity up to I think 24 months. I will see in the pack and tell you again. So guys, these wipes are having aloe vera, jojoba oil and vitamin E. I'm gonna unpack it now and see what is there in the box. Okay, so yeah, what it is. You can see pack of 6, right? Quite heavy. At least it is around 5 kg weight, right? And I'll see this date of manufacture and use before. So it has been manufactured and on March of 2021, and you can use it till February 2023, which is like 2 years you can use it. I think before that we'll finish this. So it's having total 6 packs, and each pack price separately is 190 rupees, but all together 6 pack it comes below 450 rupees, which is a very good deal. You can see here it is clearly mentioned it's having aloe vera, jojoba oil and vitamin E here. So I'll just try to take one out from this. Okay. So guys, this is one pack of this baby wipes. It's a very nice, very sweet fragrance. I just got this portion out and I got that fragrance. It was very nice fragrance. So to open it, you can. So guys, each pack of this contains 80 wipes. This is absolutely alcohol free. It is pH balanced, and you have it is clinically tested also, so you don't need to worry at all. It's clinically tested. It is paraben free also. This side you have the uses. So for diaper change you can use, to clean face of baby you can use, for cleaning your hand you can use, the baby's hand you can use this. Here is the direction how to open it. It's very simple. You need to open it from here, take one wipes out and again close it. So it's very simple. You need to just use this. So you can open it from here. Okay, I'll just show you. See, from here you need to open it. This fragrance is very sweet. Back side of it, you have the features. I'll give a snapshot of the features also so that you can read it out. So the basic features are like it is very soft. It is very ideal for babies. It's having vitamin E, aloe vera, jojoba oil, and also even for adults, if you want to freshen up, you can use it, right? It's having the do's and don'ts, and you have the direction for use. Direction I already told you. You need to take it out from here, take one, and then apply it on baby for diaper cleaning or face cleaning or hand cleaning. Even you want to clean your own face, you can do it. The do's and don'ts are like you should not keep this in sunlight or somewhat hot temperature. You should not keep it. Baby should not eat it. Baby should not put it on his or her eyes. So you should keep it reach, I mean you should be there when baby is using it. You should use it for the baby. Baby himself or herself should not use it. There is a chance that baby might try to eat it, try to put it on his or her eyes. That may be harmful, so please try to avoid that. Please do not put it here and there. You should dispose it properly in a dustbin only, right? These are the some do's and do nots. Please don't flush this in a commode, so it's nothing to get flushed. You should put it always in a proper dustbin. I'll put a snapshot of the caution and direction to use also, so that you can refer that. So this video is still this much only. So I'm very happy after receiving this all 6 wipes, right? I think this will do for this year. So thank you guys for watching this. I'm gonna provide the link in the description so that you can purchase it from Flipkart. And if you want more videos on parenting, please follow our channel. Please inform your friends also who are to be parents to follow our channel. We are coming up with very interesting videos, guys. So if you like these videos, please give us a big thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon. This video is still this much only. For now, bye bye.